Hey guys, it's Tom from Tentworld. Today I am inside the TAS Bivy Bag 2-Pole Australian Multicam. Stay with me and I'll show you around. So taking a look at this TAS Bivy Bag, it is designed with Gematex 3-layer. So what Gematex is, it's a specialized membrane basically designed to keep you dry inside while still allowing moisture and vapor to escape. So basically just think of Gematex like a barrier. So the barrier is going to block all the rain and the wind from getting inside, but it's also going to let your body breathe while you're in there, so it's going to prevent the buildup of condensation inside the bivy bag. All the seams throughout the bag are also fully taped, so it makes it completely waterproof. So it actually has a 10,000 mil waterhead waterproof rating. At the head of the bag, we've got this midge-proof netting here. So if you need some extra airflow throughout the night, you can have that open, get that airflow through, but it's going to keep out all the little bugs and the insects. There are 2 access points into the bag. You've obviously got this one here at the head of it, and then there's another one just here halfway down. It does open here, and this side actually unzips a bit further down to about there. So you have a really wide access point into your bag. As you can see here up at the head end, we've got this 2-pole system here, which I'll show you how to set up soon. It's quick and easy, but it gives you that extra headroom in there for a comfy sleep. Now, one thing to note, there are multiple tie down points around the bag at the feet and around the sides of it, but it doesn't come included with pegs. So if you do want to tie it down, you just have to bring your own pegs. So here we are inside the bag now, just to show you the dimensions of it. It is 35 centimeters long and 18 centimeters wide, so plenty of room for one person in there, and you've obviously got this extra bit of headroom here. So if I slide all the way back, I've still got plenty of footroom down the end. I'm just going to show you how to set up your bivy bag now. It's super easy, it's nice and quick, and it can obviously be done with one person. We've got the bivy bag in here, and then we've got our 2 poles in here. I'll just put the poles off to the side. Obviously going to want to find a nice clear patch of grass, take it out of the stuff sack. We'll just unroll it. You can see this end is the head end, so obviously put that where you want your head to be, and then we've got the feet down here. Then all we want to do is put in our 2 poles, so put them together. So how it works is up the end here we've got 2 eyelets each side. We've got an eyelet here and one right up the top end, and then the same on that side. So if you can start with either one. We'll start with the very top eyelets first. We'll pop it in there, and the top eyelet means you're going to feed it through this second sleeve. So don't feed it through the top sleeve. The top eyelet goes through the second sleeve, and this back eyelet goes through the top sleeve. So we'll go this across through here to this front sleeve. We'll feed the pole through, and then just make sure you clip it in to this very first eyelet here, right up the end. And then the second pole will obviously do the opposite. So we're going to feed this through the first sleeve here, and then you can obviously go over that one or under it. It makes no difference. We'll go, looks like we're going under it, and then we'll pop that one into the front eyelet over here. And that is all you need to do to set it up. Now, as I said before, there are options, there are pegging points around the bag. You just need to have your own pegs with you. If it's a windy day or you want that bit more security, you can peg it down. Otherwise, you're welcome to leave it at this. You've got the headroom up here, and the bag is set, ready to go. Going to step you through how to pack down this bivy bag now. It's super easy and can be done with one person. First, just make sure you've got everything zipped up. So we'll zip up this head entrance over here. Then you should have 2 bags with you. You've got the main stuff sack and then the bag for your alloy pole. So we'll take out the poles first. They simply just unhook, slide this one out, just dismantle this and pop it in the bag. And then we'll do the same for this pole as well. Take this one out. And then all you want to do is fold this up so we can put it into the stuff sack. It's best to sort of fold it into thirds. It is a stuff sack, so it doesn't have to be perfectly rolled. Now we'll start down from the foot end, so then we can push any air out that way. All we want to do now is just roll it up nice and tight. You see we've got a bit of air built up here, and because we left it open, it's just going to blow out nicely. Grab the stuff sack, and as it says, we can just stuff it in there. The only thing is the poles don't fit inside this stuff sack, so it can't all go in one bag. That's not a big thing. You can grab one big bag and put it all in there if you want to, or you just have them separately. So we've got the bivy bag itself here, and then you've got your poles here, and that's it, all packed up, ready to go. Thanks for watching, guys. And like always, if you have any questions, please feel free to visit one of our 15 store locations across Australia or chat to our online team. Happy camping.